sikwazi ukuthi sihlezi kanje ngoba umthombe nehlezi sisenkonzweni kodwa sikwazi ukuhleba lo yamuntu omlapha phambili kodwa sikwi-pass over kodwa sikwazi ukuhleba abanye njengoba sikwi-pass over nje bangama hairdresser abanye silapha sike nje bangama fashion designer bazobheka ukuthi wazowuhlanganisa njani wawuhlanganisa imbali engahlangani esikhundleni sokuba sikhumbule into esenzelwa ngoba unembeza wakhe ukakahlanzwa usakwazi ukubuka ikhanda lomuntu ukuthi lona ngoba eshumela akagonde ngani lona kungani installe kanje kungani sibona isaka la kodwa installile ngoba wena uyi-hairdress esikhundleni sokuba ube sekuyi-pass over conference uba yi-hairdresser because you're conscious consciousness sakgezwe ngembuzi mhla ufika egazini lika Jesu uyokwazi ukuthi uma uye enkonzweni awuyili awukho esaluni awukho kwi-fashion show mhla siye enkonzweni asikho kumabona kude asikho kubona asisile ukuzobukisa kodwa sizofuna uNkulunkulu manje ke mashobana ngicela ukuvula nanti ithuba ke lithi iBhayibheli ke ngoba sesinalo mpristi omkhulu amaHebrew 4 athi ke sinompristi omkhulu osedabulile amazulu wayohlala ngakwesokunene sikaNkulunkulu uverse number 15 walelo verse uthi ke asinayo umpristi ongenakho ukuzwelana nobuthakathaka bethu. Why? Because lithi iBhayibheli ke lo priest esinaye he is able to understand and to sympathize with our weaknesses. Reason being because uyakwazi ukuba umuntu. He knows how it feels to be a human. uJesu uyakwazi ukureject uthi kunjani. Not just being rejected by your own blood. Jesus knows. Jesus knows how it feels to be rejected by people whom you were trusted. Wathemba inner cycle but ngomhla esiphambanweni they were no more to be found. Mhla uJesu ekhuphukela eGetsemane wanyuka noPeter noJames bayothandaza bemazi uJesu ekhazimuliswa kuvela uMose no Elisha entabeni kodwa balala kunokuba uJesu bamthandazele balala. uJesu uyakwazi ukucela abantu bayomthandazisa bafika entabeni bangamthandazisi balale. uJesu uyayazi leyo pain ukuthi njani. Jesu uyayazi. Bese lithi iBhayibheli therefore yini sesiyathandaza mthombeni awumadoda sesiyathandaza mthombeni pastor sesiyathandaza bese lithi iBhayibheli